Yeah. I'm gonna have little mini series, I guess, on this phone. Yeah, they're mopping the floor. It's not that it's dirty. They have to keep it clean every time. Oh, wow. I'm moving the camera a lot. For 30 seconds. Come on, let's go in the car. Come on, let's get in the car. Here. My car. Okay.
It's our car.
Hold on. Move out of the way, sweetie. Go.
What is that?
Sit down, sweetie.
What is that?
Oh, look at it. It's easy. I'm holding stuff, sweetie. A lot of things. Okay, Serena, let me grab your stuff now. Get in your seat. The adorableness.
I like the elephant movie.
Hmm?
I like the elephant movie.
The Dumbo? Yeah, Dumbo.
Is that Dumbo?
Yeah, that's what it's called. Dumbo. Hold the camera. Hey, honey. Hold the camera or you want to say hi to people. Your hand's away on the screen. Sweetie, you're doing it the wrong way. Your hand's on the screen. Half the time you're going to probably see.
Nasty.
No, sweetie, you have your hand on the camera.